Welcome to Fast Learn Academy, where learning meets speed and success. In today's video, we're diving into the top 30 AI tools of 2025, both free and paid, that are revolutionizing how we work, study, and create. General Productivity AI Tools. 1. ChatGPT. OpenAI ChatGPT offers a free version using GPT 3.5 and a paid version with GPT-4 Turbo for $20 per month. It helps users with writing, coding, summarizing, research, and more. Ideal for students, educators, and professionals seeking instant support and creativity. 2. Notion AI. Notion AI is a paid add-on that integrates with the Notion workspace to help summarize notes, generate content, and automate writing tasks. It's especially useful for knowledge workers, students, and project managers. It saves time by turning raw notes into polished text instantly. 3. Copy.ai. Copy.ai offers both free and paid versions for creating marketing copy, emails, product descriptions, and more. It uses AI to generate content fast with minimal input. Great for small business owners, marketers, and content creators needing copy on demand. 4. WriteSonic. WriteSonic provides a free tier with limited words and paid plans that include advanced tools like SEO optimization. It can write blog posts, ads, emails, and more using AI. Perfect for writers, freelancers, and agencies wanting quick content production. Paint, Palette, Image, and Design AI Tools. 5. Canva AI, Magic Design, and Magic Write. Canva's AI tools like Magic Design and Magic Write are available in both free and pro versions, $12.99 per month. These tools assist in creating professional-looking visuals, presentations, and posts with AI-powered suggestions. Ideal for creators, educators, and startups. 6. DALL-E by OpenAI. DALL-E is included in ChatGPT Plus and allows users to generate unique images from text prompts. It's powerful for creating visuals, concept art, and thumbnails. A creative tool for designers, storytellers, and marketers. 7. Adobe Firefly. Adobe Firefly is free to use with limited features and fully unlocked in the Adobe Creative Cloud Suite. It helps generate AI-based images, visual effects, and creative text. Best suited for graphic designers and content creators who want powerful, branded visuals. Writing, handwriting, and communication tools. 8. Grammarly. Grammarly offers a free grammar checker and a premium version with advanced writing suggestions. It corrects grammar, enhances tone, and offers clarity improvements. A must-have for writers, professionals, and students aiming for clean, effective writing. 9. Quillbot. Quillbot provides free paraphrasing tools with basic functions and paid options for advanced rewriting and summarizing. It's commonly used for improving academic writing and avoiding plagiarism. Ideal for students, researchers, and bloggers. Movie camera, video, and audio AI tools. 10. Pictory.ai. Pictory offers a free trial and paid plans starting at $19 per month to turn text or articles into videos. It uses AI to create short videos with subtitles, images, and voiceovers. Excellent for YouTubers, educators, and content marketers looking to scale video content quickly. Speaker voice, audio, and transcription AI tools. 11. Descript. Descript is a powerful audio and video editing tool with a free version and paid plans starting at $12 per month. It lets you edit media by editing text, like a Word doc, and includes AI voice cloning, transcription, and filler word removal. Great for podcasters, YouTubers, and educators. 12. Crisp.ai. Crisp offers free noise cancellation minutes and premium plans starting at $8 per month. It removes background noise from calls and recordings using AI. Ideal for remote workers, teachers, and professionals on Zoom or Teams. 13. Otter.ai. Otter provides real-time transcription of meetings with a free tier and paid plans. It records, transcribes, and organizes conversations into searchable notes. Perfect for journalists, students, and professionals attending frequent meetings. Magnifying glass research and learning AI tools. 14. Perplexity.ai. Perplexity is a free AI-powered search engine that gives direct, cited answers instead of just links. It's great for fast, reliable research with sources included. Ideal for students, researchers, and anyone seeking factual information quickly. 15. Elicit by Ott. Elicit is a free research assistant that helps summarize academic papers and find relevant studies using AI. It's built to speed up literature reviews and evidence synthesis. Perfect for scholars, academics, and policy researchers. 16. Cite.ai. Cite offers limited free searches and paid plans for deeper access. It uses AI to show how scientific papers are cited, whether supported, contradicted, or just mentioned. Great for researchers validating claims in scientific literature. Robot automation and coding AI tools. 17. GitHub Copilot. GitHub Copilot is a paid tool, from $10 per month, that helps developers write code faster with AI suggestions inside versus code and other IDEs. It predicts and completes code in real time. Ideal for programmers, especially beginners and solo devs. 18. Replit Ghostwriter. Replit's Ghostwriter offers AI coding help in the Replit IDE, with both free and paid plans. It auto-completes code, debugs, and explains snippets. Great for learning to code and building web apps quickly. 19. Zapier AI. Zapier includes an AI-powered builder, free tier available, that helps automate workflows by connecting apps like Gmail, Slack, Notion, and more. Its AI lets you describe your automation goal in plain English. Perfect for small business owners and productivity enthusiasts. Puzzle Piece. Miscellaneous innovative tools. 20. Runway ML. Runway ML offers free credits and paid plans to use AI for video editing, motion tracking, and image generation. It's known for AI-powered video editing like remove background or text to video. Excellent for filmmakers, video editors, and creatives. Bargraph Business, Analytics and Customer Support AI tools. 21. Chatfuel. Chatfuel offers a free plan and paid options for building AI chatbots on platforms like Facebook Messenger and WhatsApp. It helps automate customer support, lead generation, and FAQs. Ideal for e-commerce stores, agencies, and service businesses. 22. Tidio. Tidio is a chatbot and live chat platform with AI features, offering a free plan and paid versions. It handles customer queries automatically, improving engagement and reducing support time. Great for small to medium-sized businesses looking for AI-driven customer service. 23. Jasper AI, formerly Jarvis. Jasper is a premium AI writing assistant, with plans starting around $39 per month. It specializes in long-form content like blog posts, emails, and product copy with customizable tones. A favorite among marketers, bloggers, and content agencies. 24. Beautiful.ai. Beautiful.ai is a smart presentation maker with limited free use and paid plans. It uses AI to auto-format slides and suggest designs based on your content. Ideal for business professionals and educators needing fast, polished presentations. Globe AI for websites and SEO. 25. Phrase.io. Phrase is a paid tool, starting at $15 per month, focused on SEO content optimization and AI-driven article writing. It helps users research keywords, outline content, and optimize pages. Perfect for SEO strategists and content marketers. 26. Surfer SEO. Surfer SEO is a premium tool used to write and optimize content for better Google rankings. It uses AI to analyze top-ranking pages and gives on-page SEO suggestions. Best for SEO teams and bloggers focused on traffic growth. 27. Durable.co. Durable is an AI website builder with a free trial and paid plans. It can generate an entire business website with text, design, and layout in under a minute. Great for freelancers, small businesses, or anyone who needs a fast online presence. Brain AI for learning and tutoring. 28. Socratic by Google. Socratic is a free mobile app that uses AI to help students with homework across subjects like math, science, and English. It scans a question and explains the answer step by step. Great for middle and high school students needing academic support. 29. Conmigo by Khan Academy. Conmigo is a GPT-powered learning guide integrated into Khan Academy, free beta access for some users. It helps students practice subjects and gives feedback like a tutor. Perfect for learners looking for personalized study help. 30. U.com AI Search. U.com is a privacy-focused AI search engine offering free web, code, and writing tools. Its AI assistant answers queries, summarizes web pages, and even generates code. Ideal for people who want ChatGPT plus Google search in one tool. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment for more such videos.